Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Julie Leslie, back at it again with another YouTube video. And today we're going to be reacting to ATEEZ I'm the One official music video. This is like my first time ever reacting to ATEEZ, so I'm really excited about who they are and like what their style of genre is. And like I already heard the teasers and like the beat for this song, I was already wanting to dance and like do everything like the most. But if you haven't already, please subscribe. Without me rambling, let's get right into this video. Ew, what? 7? I didn't even read that. ATEEZ. K Entertainment. Fireworks. Ooh, see? This is what I heard. Do you hear that? Oh, his style. Oh my gosh. Why do they all look so handsome? Come on. Oh. Hey. I like the subtlety, but it's like so hard. Bro, I love this hip hop beat. Hey. Wow. Hey. Oh my gosh. Oh. Do you hear that? Bro, they did so good. Bro, look at his abs. Hey. Come on, everyone dance. Bro. Bro, that chorus is fire. Oh wow. Whoever made this song, oh my god. Look. Bro, this is so good. Sing it. Bro, I needed to do what got on them. Bro, his voice is so deep. Bro, the outfit. Uh-huh. Hey. Bro. Bro, this beat go crazy. Bro, his bro, this is so good. Oh wow. Wow. I'm gonna go back to this part. Bro, it's so good. But that fire in the background with the burning tree, I love it. Bro, his outfit is like my favorite one in the video. Oh, do you hear that in the background? Listen closely. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah. Oh my god. Bro. Well, I'm dancing in my seat right now. Oh my god. Wait, I need to go back to that. Come on, start from here. Thank you for the wink. Look at that. Dancing machine. Bro. Come on. Why y'all playing with them? Oh my god. That was so amazing. Wait, there's more? That mask. Zero Fever Part 2. Oh, I need to watch that. Heart right now is beating so fast because I was just dancing in my seat. I'm gonna need to drink some water for this one. Like, oh my gosh. Like, I'm actually speechless about this music video. It was so much stuff in one, like the beats, the verses, the rapping, the singing, the imagery, the boys, the outfits, their face. Oh my gosh, it was so much that I really loved about this video, and I never reacted to ATEEZ before, so this was a very, very, very good surprise for me, and I really love them. Cause like that, it's like my type of genre. I like the upbeat, like hip hop, pop vibe, and it was so good. And like this video was 100% in my book, like so good, like chef's kiss. If you haven't seen this music video already, please go like it. Please subscribe to their channel to know when they do more stuff, because they're an amazing boy group. Like, come on guys, did you see that guy with the abs? Like, who was that? Like, every time he came on the screen, I was like, I could not see no other members. Like, and the one with the gray hair, like with the slick back, oh my god, I need to find out who they are, because I'm about to follow them on everything and search who they are, because like they were so amazing. I'm gonna go watch that again and go watch like all their Mnet like comeback show stuff. So while I do that, please subscribe, please like, please say what was your bias. I don't even know who these people are, but I think the one with like the abs or like the slick back is my bias for now, but obviously I have to know more about them. So please subscribe to my channel, please like, please comment, and please share. I appreciate it. And without further ado, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.